doing tonight, babes?
It's up to you.
I don't mind, to be honest. One second, I was gonna open the door.
Okay.
Go. You coming in?
I'm going to the toilet real quick.
I'm gonna fucking kill him, fam. I'm gonna fucking kill him, man. Fuck you man.
Go.
Yo, is this door there? You sure it's this door, fam?
Kick it, God. Kick it, God.
Go.
Come in, fam. See, what you doing that for me, fam? You on, fam?
I hear that still. And like, nah, but like, just.
Oh, one second. Hello.
What's going on? Who is it?
Nah, you're lying.
Who is it?